students, you are watching channel Maths and Maths Academy. In this video we are going to solve two linear simultaneous equations with the help of substitution method. So our given equations in this question are, the first one is x plus 2y. X plus 2y is equal to 1. Let us call this equation as equation number 1. The second one is 2x plus 3y is equal to 4, and this is our equation number 2. Now to start with, we subtract 2y from both sides of equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is x plus 2y is equal to 1, and we subtract 2y from both sides. Minus cancels with plus, so x is left with 1 minus 2y. Now we substitute this value of x in equation number 2. Our equation number 2 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Now we will substitute the value of x, which is 1 minus 2y. And finally we solve this equation for the value of y. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into minus 2y is minus 4y, plus 3y is equal to 4. Minus 4y plus 3y will be minus y, and 2 will become negative when goes on the other side. So minus y is equal to 2, which implies that y is equal to minus 2 as when we multiply both sides of the equation by minus 1. Now by substituting y is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1, we get our equation number 1 is x plus 2y is equal to 1. The value of y is minus 2. So x minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 is equal to 1. We add 4 on both sides. Plus 4 cancels with minus 4, so x is equal to 5. So our solution set in this case (5) and minus 2, which is the answer of this question. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, please take care and bye.